Good morning. It's now 7:15 in the morning. Today, I will show you how life is like as a trainee for WU Philippines.
Okay, now you can't imagine, Sunny, because not one of these trainees will be winning. I will be winning this match. Ikaw ang sponsor.
So now I'm having my cup of coffee for the morning. It's just that, no breakfast, and it's not for fasting. It's just that it's the only thing that I could enjoy now because it is past 7:30 and I have to prepare for work. So now it's time to prepare for work. Of course, I'm not going to show you how I do it, but I just want to share that as a baldy, I have a lot of tools, but my secret weapon is this one. It shaves my head under 5 minutes. And considering that I have to do it every other day, it saves me a lot of time. So yeah, it's time to prepare for work. So I just arrived at the office, but before I start my day, I guess I'll give you a little tour. So when I arrive, I just put my laptop over there, my bag over there, and then I start working. This is a standing desk normally. That's of course my main working area. But then, pag may mga kakausapin, of course, dyan. And of course, as a tito, this is a requirement for work. Anyway, I'll start the day and maybe I'll see you after dinner. So just to show you what I have for dinner, nothing complicated, just I prioritize protein, syempre carbs, hindi ko masyadong pinag-isipan to. I don't count calories, basta yan na yun. At ayan, aso ko, gutom din. It's already past 7 p.m. I'm done with work, done with dinner, but hindi pa tapos yung araw. Alam mo naman, as a trainee sa WU Philippines, I have to build up my strength, build up my body, just to be able to keep up with the rest of the wrestlers. So, tonight, it's time for my daily workout. So why won't I give you a mini tour of my gym? 24/7 din siya. AF, Attic Fitness. So in here, I have my adjustable dumbbells, my parallettes, my bench and weighted vest. Ito, iba't ibang klase din na resistance. I have my sandbag, kettlebells. Pero, ang paborito ko talaga, ito. Ayan, kitang-kita, Attic. Daming nakatambak. But, those are my favorite toys. The gymnastic rings and the pull-up bar. And for cardio, I also have tong elliptical. So yun yung mga toys ko dito sa gym ko. So maybe I'll show you a bit kung ano yung ginagawa ko sa strength and conditioning ko. Usually do full body. So yeah, let's begin our workout. Okay, so I just finished my workout. I did a pull exercise, a push exercise. I did some leg exercises, core exercise, sa dulo, conditioning. So, medyo mahirap magsalita ngayon, but that's what I need. Strength, endurance, that's what's going to help me out pagdating sa ring. So laban lang talaga to. Alright, so that's basically it. That's my day as a trainee in World Underground Wrestling Philippines. You joined me from my coffee in the morning hanggang sa workout ko sa gabi. Of course, ligo din ako after na workout, hindi lang halata. But the night doesn't end there. Right now, I'm in front of my laptop. Kahabol pa sa work. Maghahabol pa sa any kind of learning that I could do. You know, like watch some matches. Kasi that's the life of a trainee in Woo Philippines. Schedules are just messed up. You have to, sisingit mo na lang talaga kung saan mo pwedeng isingit. Strength training, conditioning, habol sa work, habol sa mga learnings. But that's what I have to do if I want to be in the ring. Time, sacrifices, yun na yun. I have to do what I have to do. So before I end the night, and continue working, just want to say thank you guys for joining me today. So, like I said kanina, laban lang din talaga to.
Laban dito!
Ano to?